Hey gang, just wanted to do a quick video on how to remove gel polish on yourself. I thought about what I was going to say when I was filming this, so I tried to do hand gestures to match it. I can't remember what I said, but lots of people are avoiding their nail appointments at the moment, just to sort of avoid close contact with people, which is fair enough. So I thought I'd do a quick video tutorial on how to take gel polish off on yourself. I know I've had clients come to me before and say, oh, I was doing it for like 3 hours and I left it soaked for 40 minutes, and that's not what I said to do. But I thought a video would be more helpful. So I am filing the shine off the nail. This is a 180 grit file. You can buff it off, but giving the nail giving the gel polish at least a bit of a score with the file is going to help the acetone soak through. So I'm just filing just where the gel polish is, not on the natural nail growth. As you can see, I've got lots of growth but no length because I've been cutting them down because I've been too lazy to redo my own nails. So I've just sped this up now, just filing all of that off, ready for wrapping with acetone. Oh, imagine if I could work this fast in real life. So dusting off the dust there, and now using some, obviously I've got these because I do removal on people all the time. If you don't have them, just cut up, oh look, that worked out perfect timing, did the scissors. Cut up some cotton pads into 4 or rip some cotton wool balls. Definitely don't use a whole cotton wool ball for each nail because it will just soak up loads, you'll just end up using loads of acetone. That bottle isn't actually what's in the bottle, it's just a handy bottle to have. This is pure acetone, which I buy in bulk from a lab supply company. It's exactly the same ingredients as the branded stuff you get, but you get a litre for the same price as 250ml because it doesn't have a brand label on it. I'm not falling for that. So pop it on the nail, make sure the pad, the cotton bit, stays on the nail, and then wrap it nice and tight. And when you do, you kind of need to be a bit of a finger contortionist here. But then when you do this bit, make sure you fold it downwards over the tip, so that cotton soaked in acetone is going over the tip, over the free edge that your nail tech has sealed when she's applied the polish. Again, just speeding this bit up here. I think I did the first 2 normal speed, but don't need to do it all normal speed. And I'm setting my timer for 9 minutes. I do that once they've all been wrapped. It will vary depending on which brand you use. I use Gel Perfection. 9 minutes is the perfect time for it, but maybe ask your technician which brand she uses and how long she soaks it for when she does it for you. So now I'm just, with a cuticle stick, zooming in and just gently scraping off the gel polish. As you can see, this is the perfect time for this brand. As I say, different brands will require different amount of soak off times. But one mistake that a lot of people make, clients who maybe want to do their own removal or they can't get in and can't get to an appointment, is think, oh, I'll just soak it for 20 minutes because then it will definitely come off. That's not how it works. The acetone will have dried up by then and the polish will just harden again. So there is definitely a sweet spot, but leaving it for 20 minutes is not going to mean that it's going to come off easily. You want to make sure you're doing it for the right time. And then just scratching off that polish. If there are any bits that are stubborn and don't come off, they will probably come off just with a buffing block, or if you haven't got one, you can just lightly file because the polish is all soft now. Obviously I do this, I've done this thousands of times, so I can file a tiny spot without filing anywhere else on the nail, but so just be careful. But it should come off with a buffing block if you've soaked it for the right amount of time. And I'll probably speed this up again now. Sorry if you can hear noise in the background, I'm sat near an open window and I'm presuming the tide's in. Zoop. I had a client once message me. She'd done her own removal and messaged me and said that she would be willing to pay £30 for removal alone, because she'd been trying to do it for about 2 hours, and she's just really struggling, bless her. It's not easy to do on yourself, but obviously techs have done it thousands of times. So I'm just buffing that last bit off. I think I've got a break in that nail. So I've got all the polish off now, just dusting off the excess, and obviously they're looking a bit dry because I've had acetone on. So I will now, with my cuticle stick, just do all prep work on all of them, and then cuticle oil the crap out of them, which I've done there. I've done the other hand as well now. So you can see it's all off. The nail plates are healthy. So if you are missing some nail appointments, then make sure you keep them oiled, keep yourself safe, and look after yourself and your nails. And if you're isolating, then subscribe to my channel and you can watch lots of nail videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.